In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize cells, bulk method, in Google Sheets. If you're tired of tweaking columns one at a time, this quick method will make your entire sheet look clean and uniform in seconds. First, open your sheet and look to the very top left corner of the grid, where the row numbers meet the column letters. There's a small, empty square there. Click that square. You'll see the whole sheet become highlighted, which means every cell on every column and row is selected. If you click the grid and the highlight disappears, no problem. Just click that square again to reselect everything. Now comes the simple header trick. Instead of right-clicking or digging through menus, move your mouse up to the column headers and hover right over the line between any two letters, like between A and B. Don't click yet. Just hover over that dividing line. When you're in the right spot, your cursor will change into a left-right double arrow, indicating you're ready to adjust the width. Once you see that double arrow, click and drag. Drag to the right to make columns wider, or to the left to make them narrower. As you drag, keep an eye on your data to find a width that makes your content readable without wasting space. You might also notice a small pixel measurement appear while dragging. That's just a reference to help you be consistent. When you're happy with the width, release the mouse button. Here's the best part. Because the entire sheet was selected before you dragged, every single column instantly snaps to that exact same width. No more clicking through each column to match sizes. Your sheet now has evenly sized columns across the board, making it cleaner, easier to scan, and much more professional, especially handy before sharing, presenting, or printing. If you don't love the result on your first try, use undo to go back and drag again until it looks right. A quick tip: if you find it tricky to grab the dividing line precisely, zoom in a bit on your browser to make the header area easier to hit. And remember, hovering until you see the double arrow is the key. No extra menus required. That's all it takes to resize cells in bulk by adjusting column widths across your entire Google Sheet in one smooth motion. Try it on your next project to save time and instantly tidy up your layout. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.